Your eyes went back into your head.
Oh, absolutely.
You were just in your zone.
I love sticky buns, cinnamon buns.
Oh, check, please.
I love it. And I love cinnamon, and I love baking, and I love bread. So this was in my wheelhouse.
Now whisk this until it's lump-free.
I've never seen a dough start out this way.
I had never used the technique that Andrea Gary, who developed this recipe, used, and it's a Japanese technique called tangzong.
So you don't have to let it cool, you use it while it's warm.
Use it while it's warm, that's right.
And what's happened is that the flour has trapped the water inside of it, so you get this super workable dough. It's easy to roll out. It rolls out like a dream. And then when you top it, you flip it over, the buns don't go.
Oh, goodness. So I'm still not a cinnamon bun fan. It's not my thing. Sticky buns, however, this is the difference. Sticky buns have that caramely goo with nuts on top. I'm into caramel and I like nuts.
This to go face down right into our goo.
It all bakes together. The caramel softens in the oven. It turns out it's glistening. It's shiny. It's this deep, deep, dark color. The pecans add this toastiness to it.
This is the worst part, is when the goo just starts to disappear.
It's gorgeous.